This is all a little bit Top Gear, isn't it?
You'd rather be in one of these than a Ferrari, wouldn't you?
Exactly. Well, first of all, Ricky, congratulations on being the first branded car in the fleet.
It's cool, isn't it?
Very cool. I absolutely love the design. What's the motivation? What was the motivation behind it when you started your business?
It's one of my moving for sale signs or my moving to let boards. It's always on show in and around the town. It's certainly out there.
People noticed it?
Yeah, without a shadow of a doubt. The amount of times you see the kids say, oh, avocado, and so on and so on. So, yeah, I love it in that respect. And, yeah, it's just brand awareness, more brand awareness as possible.
You can't miss it. And I think because you've been so dominant in the community with your conversations you've had with people as well, which we'll talk about more on this video, it's probably a really nice thing to start getting those waves as well from people at some point.
Yeah, without a shadow of a doubt.
And where did you get it done?
Literally, Stevenage signs round the corner.
Okay.
So, yeah, I wanted to shop local. I'm all about promoting my local community and local businesses. So, yeah, if I could stay as close to home as possible, then, yeah, without a shadow of a doubt, I'm on board to do so.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, let's do it.
I know recently you got married. So are we going to see at some point, maybe in the next couple of years, an Avocado SUV branded car?
A branded Range Rover, eh?
Big question.
That sounds exciting.
Yeah.
Got to get on
Mrs. be
board.
happy with that?
I think you should much prefer to drive one of those than this. Well, it does have reversing cameras, I'll have you know.
Yeah, it does. And to be fair, we're a very family conscious brand, and I think it adds to the fun of the family setup. So how is talking wife, talking business, she's in the industry as well. How has she felt you in terms of that, creating a business, building a business and learning all the marketing and things like this as well, building assets? How has she found that part of it?
She can tell I'm so much more happier.
Yeah.
In the past, coming home, driving home together, whatever, she could hear my venting and it wasn't so pleasant. But now she gets that mini buzz as well when I've done right by a client and helped a tenant move into a dream property where they're going to raise their family or whatever. She can see how passionate I am about it, of making people happy and for it not to be so much of a transaction but a nice, enjoyable move. We quite often say we make moving an enjoyable journey, not a stressful.
Yeah, love that. It's all about. It's perfect.
Very much so.
Yeah. Well, thank you for having us down.
Thank you.
And well done for starting your business.
Cheers.
Absolutely love the car, and we'll be back very soon.
Superb.
Cheers.